Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're actually going to make a gin-based cocktail, the Odyssey, from Studio Distilling, using their exhibition gin. To make this drink, we are going to start with 1/4 of a pear that's been peeled, skinned, seeded, and cut into cubes. We're going to put that in the shaker tin. We're also going to put in 2 lemon wedges into the shaker tin. I did this off camera because I made a mess, so here we go. Next, the recipe calls for 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. Since I'm using a honey syrup instead of a honey, I'm going right to 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons is 10 milliliters. And I do make my own honey syrup. Recipe is here on the channel if you'd like to check it out. Now I'm going to muddle all this together. I'll be back with you in a moment. Muddling done, we're going to add our gin. 2.5 ounces of gin. And in this case, it's going to be the exhibition gin from Studio Distilling. Where's my jigger? 2.5 ounces is 75 milliliters. Add your ice and give it a shake. Remember to stop shaking before you remove your finger from the top of the shaker. Note to self. Martini glass, and I am going to double strain this one because there's little bits of fruit that we don't want in our drink. And if you want to garnish, you could put a couple pieces of pear or a lime wedge or lime wheel. That would work great. I'm going to do without, and I'm going to drink the Odyssey from Studio Distilling using their exhibition gin. Drink with good spirits.